फैशन एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो सुनते तो सब हैं लेकिन उसके मीनिंग को समझते बहुत कम लोग हैं. इट इज़ अ वेरी वास्ट फील्ड विच हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ फैसेट्स टू इट. तो ऐसे ही एक हम फैशन स्टाइलिस्ट से बात करने वाले हैं इस शो में, जो कि आपको एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव देगी इस फील्ड से रिलेटेड. सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो एंड गेट टू नो मोर अबाउट इट. So welcome to my show Arzu, and I would like to introduce you to my audience. So आप ही खुद introduce कर दीजिए.
Okay. Hi guys, it's me Arzu Wadhwa. I'm a fashion stylist and a designer by profession. And today I am in Megha's show to brief about my career options and tell you what exactly fashion students do and what are the career paths we can pursue when you have done your fashion designing. So I think Megha, that's enough.
Yeah, that is. So whenever we hear that somebody has done fashion designing, all that comes to our mind is कि वो dresses design करते हैं. That's it, right?
Okay.
So what are the other aspects that a person can see? And like you have worked as a fashion stylist.
Yeah.
So what exactly does that profile holds?
Okay, so the thing is, as a designer, I would like to tell, yeah, that's the main thing which everybody is aware of, that we design clothes. Yes, we do. But how people wear those clothes and what management is involved to get the clothes done and how, the marketing is involved in everything. There are every field which is related to fashion. Accounts is there is marketing, there is every field which any other person is doing right now. I would say like designing is not limited to just designing the clothes, but it's more to that. Yeah, styling is something which I really like, and I would like to tell your audience also that styling you can actually pursue. It's a really fun field and a good career path to choose for fashion students.
That's good. So how exactly did you get into fashion styling?
Okay. So when I did my fashion designing, I did fashion shows for my college. And when I was styling the models for the show, I thought why not? Why not to just design the clothes, but go for styling option. Then I did my job, 1-year job as fashion stylist in a startup company. That job gave me exposure and I got to know that styling is something which I want to pursue for more years now. Yeah, that's what I found in that job.
That's great. So it's basically telling somebody how to wear some clothes in a symmetrical way, or like in a way in which that would look nice on them. Is it somewhat like that?
Yeah. So everybody is beautiful in their own way. We actually make sure that people are confident what they are wearing. People are confident what it suits them, what is their style, what is good for them, what colors they should go for it. We all have certain style. We all have some certain perspective. Whether it's your mindset, whether it's your clothing sense, we all have certain mindsets, right? So what we do is we tell them that these are the color forms which you should wear according to your body types, according to your preferences, and these are the clothes, and we are sorting out some clothes for you, and now you're good to go. You're confident, you're smiling, and you're on the screen now.
Yeah. So what exactly is your style statement, if I may ask?
Okay.
Yeah. Is it comfort over glamour, or is it glamour over comfort?
So most of the day I go for comfort because I'm someone who likes to style people and who likes to follow style statements, right? So sometimes it's more like I am in my PJs, I am in my loungewear, I'm like lying down on my bed all day. But some days I'm all glammed up and I'm going to the party. That's my Friday night outfit. So it's like either I'm in my PJs or either I'm glammed up. It's nowhere between. I'm totally into that zone.
Is there any difference between personal styling and fashion styling as a whole?
Yeah, there is like major difference. So when we are talking about fashion styling, it is all about dressing celebrities, going for magazines, going for ad shoots, whatever fashion holds. We do styling for celebrities, we do styling for influencers, whoever on the screen. We do fashion styling for them. Personal styling is basically doing styling for the people who are regular people who need styling on regular basis. They are going for a meeting, they have a corporate meeting going on which is very important for them, so we style them. And somebody who is all prepared for their special day and they want the perfect outfit, they want the perfect makeup, help them to get that done. So yeah, personal style is more close to the person and it is more one-on-one. And fashion styling involves hierarchy. Fashion styling involves exaggerated celebrity styling. We do sourcing from different designers for them. So yeah, there is a major difference, but both are equally interesting.
One style statement that is going on currently, like which is trendy.
Okay, so there are many years where denims are equally, like denims are classics.
Yeah.
We go for denims every day. We are somebody who just pick our denims and a t-shirt for a regular basis. So in this spring summer 2021, we are going for no rug jeans. Rug jeans are out now, so we are going for slim fit jeans. And I would like to say that people who love the fashion of narrow legs are good to go for this season because it's very trendy. So yeah, this is one trend. Then there are skirts. There are exaggerated skirts which are into this trend. You can go for the skirts with your tops, with your maxis, and your skirts can just flaunt with the higher outfits also and the torso which are lower in your length. Yeah. So I think these are the two things which you can take from fashion.
That's great. So लास्ट क्वेश्चन थोड़ा इनफॉर्मल सा ही रखते हैं. सो आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क कि फैशन एज अ करियर परस्यू करने में फ़ायदा रहेगा आगे फ्यूचर में या नहीं रहेगा. एंड लाइक देर आर लॉट ऑफ पेरेंट्स हू डजंट अलाउ इट. सो आप उस चीज़ में क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि इसमें और क्या स्कोप है जो शायद वो नहीं देख पाते हैं.
So the thing is, fashion is very vast. One thing. So I understand that some parents doesn't allow their kids to pursue the fashion, but I would like to say it's a creative field. If you are a creative person, if you have the mindset which goes for fashion, if you have the enthusiasm, why not to give it a try? Maybe your parents are not allowing you because they are not aware that how vast the field is. You should just research about it. Tell your parents that we are not just doing fashion, we are doing other fields also. And maybe then they can understand, and you can also be very clear. Research, do your brainstorming, and if you're a creative person, go for it. It's a great option, I would say.
सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन विद अस. आई थिंक काफ़ी लोगों का माइंडसेट खुलेगा फैशन को लेके कि एक सिर्फ फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग या फिर क्लोथ डिज़ाइनिंग इज़ नॉट द ओनली ऑप्शन फॉर यू ऑल. तो इस बारे में और जानने के लिए आप इनको फॉलो कर सकते हैं. आई विल लिंक बिलो इन द कमेंट्स ऑल द सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स ऑफ आरजू. सो अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, बी स्टाइलिस्ट एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. बाय.